You posted on TikTok, but you want to change the description of that video or that post. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do it. But before I begin, if you're new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel so that you can get more TikTok tips like this. Without further ado, let's jump straight into my phone and let me show you how you can edit the description of your TikTok post. Let's go. First of all, open up your TikTok app. This is my TikTok app. Click on the bottom right, which is the profile, right? I don't know, I'll go home, then you see a lot of videos. Okay, anyway, click on your bottom right, which is profile. Click on your latest video, any videos. So for TikTok edits, you can only edit the caption or even the cover within the first 7 days. After 7 days, you cannot edit anymore. Let me show you an example. So I just launched this video. So just click on the three dots, see at the bottom right, just scroll all the way. You can see here, edit post. So you can click on edit post. You can see here, you can edit your post here, and then you click save. Okay, I'm not gonna edit, I'm just gonna show you where to edit. But if you go to, you can see at the bottom here, you can edit your description and cover once a day, only once a day. Edits can be made within 7 days of posting. So this is just posted a day before, so you can still edit. But what if 7 days before? So you can see, you go to my older videos, for example like this one. I want to edit this, click on three dots, click on the same thing, edit post, and then you notice, I cannot edit anymore. You see here, you can't make edits as you created this post more than 7 days ago. So you cannot edit anymore. So if you want to edit, do edit it quickly. But you can change the location, but that's it. Location also got 180 days. There's a lot of limitation. However, if you want to reuse the video, I will suggest for you to just repost. So TikTok is okay with that because you can't edit anymore. Alright, so that's how you can edit the details of your video in TikTok. But just take note on the 7 days rules. Alright, if you like what I share, do give me a like and subscribe to this channel so that you can get more tips like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you next time. Goodbye.